Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So currently it's 10 p.m. and I am craving cake. I normally like to have dessert or something sweet late at night or after dinner because I sleep quite late. And so tonight I'm gonna bake cake with the Betty Crocker box. I've never bought this one before, the rainbow chip party cake mix. I normally buy the vanilla one, and I like to use my ripe bananas to make like a banana bread, banana cake situation. No, banana bread. I don't know why we call it banana bread when it's technically a cake, right? Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna make this kind of cake mix for the first time. Hopefully it goes well. So I'm gonna preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Prep here. So I'm just melting my butter here, and the recipe calls for 90 grams of melted butter, but I like to do half of it to be butter, then half oil, and they're asking for vegetable oil, but I use olive oil. Like, I don't think it makes a big difference from my experience. Like, it tastes fine and I can't tell from the texture. Also, I never claim to be like an amazing baker. Like, I bake cakes only like once a month or something. So I am no way a professional. Okay, now I'm gonna beat the eggs. So I have 2 eggs. Now I've got a shell in it. I like to do half water and half oat milk for the liquid portion. So I'm gonna do 90 mils of oat milk. And 90 mils of water. Mix that. Now the oil. Okay, my melted butter looks like urine. But anyways, I have 50-ish mils of that. So now, for the remaining 40 mils, I will use oil. Okay, this might sound crazy, but I don't have an electric whisk, so I just use a fork to mix my flour and the wet ingredients together. And this has worked out fine in the past. Like it just takes a bit more time. And I'm not gonna buy an electric whisk when I barely bake. You know, it's like a once a month situation. So I just don't see the point. Oh, that scared me for a sec. Let me show you. I was pouring in the flour cake mix and you can see the rainbow bits. I saw the blue and green parts and I thought it was mold for a sec. Anyway, so I slowly mix it and I add the flour gradually. Doing this with one hand is not ideal. Also, mixing it with a fork by hand is kind of more relaxing and meditative in a way because it forces you to, like, I don't know, take your time. And it's not loud compared to an electric whisk. Like I'm not in a rush to do this, will be anyway, so why not? I am in a rush to eat it though, because I'm getting hungry. Okay, I finished mixing up. Now I'm gonna put it into this tin. This is the only one I have, and it's better for like maybe brownies, but honestly it has worked fine in the past, so whatever. Cut some baking paper. So if you want your baking paper to like stick to the tin, you can actually sprinkle some water. Yeah, so you can sprinkle some water on the base, then the baking paper will stick pretty well. Use some of the butter from the the wrapping to oil up the sides. That's all oiled up. It's kind of a mess, but it's gonna melt anyways. Okay, I'm gonna pour the cake mix into the tray. Oh, you can see the rainbow. So cute. So it's all poured in. I'm just gonna jiggle it a bit so it gets even. And I'm gonna tap it a bit. Because I feel like people tap it to get the air bubbles out or something. I don't know. Right, let me check the temperature. I think it's ready. Wait, how much? Yes. I'm gonna put it in. There she goes. Okay, I'm gonna put the timer for 27 minutes and I'm gonna wash up. Alright, so it's been 27 minutes. Let's check if it's done. Ooh, looks nice. Pull it out. Just poke it with a chopstick to see if it's cooked inside. Okay, time to take it out. Okay, I'm just gonna let it cool for 10 minutes and then have a taste test. Okay, you guys, so here's the cake. You can see the rainbow bits on the section. And I don't have icing and I'm too lazy to make it, so sue me, but I normally don't eat my cakes with icing anyways if I'm making it at home. Anyways, here we go. That's really good. It's so soft and like not too sweet. And I can kind of taste the crunch of the rainbow bits, but I wouldn't say it's too obvious and there's not a lot of it. Just looking at the cake, but it's really good. It's like a vanilla cake with basically rainbow bits and sprinkles. So I could have added ripe bananas in it to make it like a banana bread with sprinkles, essentially. So yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10, Miss Betty Crocker Rainbow Chip Party Cake Mix. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you can subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching.